Driving over to the bank right now. I've got, sorry, making a right-hand turn. Got $15 left. Went to go register for this thing that was $100, and I didn't really have, and I asked to see if I can get a scholarship or something to be able to enter this pitch competition for ADHERE. And I got granted the extension, but it cost $115, so it went from $100 to $115, and I was ready to pay, and all I got left is $15 in my wallet. It's supposed to be for gas to get to the airport this week. I don't know. I guess I'm going all in and putting my last $15 into it. You know, to just trying to create opportunity. You know, trying to create some options. You know, it's fall, so it's harvest time. I'm trying to put in as many possibilities into the mix as possible, and kind of seeing what benefits me, what sticks to the wall, you know, which opportunities do I qualify for. So yeah, so we're gonna give it a run and enter this competition. It closes at 10, the deadline to register. So we've already got our gust all ready to go, and we're just gonna give it a run, you know. From the perspective of the competition itself, I think we have a phenomenal chance at winning this thing. I don't know what the investment size is. Probably minimum 25K. Could be more. I'm not really quite sure. But I know that we can get this. Now, the difficult thing that I'm going to have is I work at ADHERE during the daytime, as well as Alderbrook, you know, the apartment job. Then I also, in the morning, start at 3 in the morning until about 8 o'clock in the morning, I work at the airport, loading and unloading 747 jets and Airbus 330s and all that other fun stuff. So this competition looks like it's in the evenings on Tuesday and Wednesdays, twice a month for about 2 or 3 months. So the difficulty is going to be in being able to make it up there on the drive to go to the evenings and then get back that night to report to work at 3 in the morning. It'll be tough, but I think I can pull it off. And mind you, this is riding a motorcycle too, because I don't think the car, I don't really want to put those kind of miles and spend that kind of gas money. I don't have it, in fact, going up and down so the competition's in Seattle, so it's a 3.5 hour drive from where I am in Portland. So it'd be about 7 hours of driving at night to get there, pitch, and then hit the road and come back. So yeah, it'll be tight. Looking forward to the pitch, not looking forward to the drive, let alone the airport shifts. So anyways, you know what, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do what we can and make it happen, you know, try our best. You know, it's gonna be difficult, but we're gonna knock it out. So with that, we'll give you guys an update later. We're out.